Hello all you beauty people and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So obviously you can tell by the title down below, this is going to be my unboxing for Boxycharm Premium that we got this month for January. Super excited to jump in this box, obviously because it is the beginning of the year. So I kind of want to see if we're going to start off with a bang. If you guys haven't seen my unboxing of my Boxycharm base box for January, make sure you guys check that out at the end of this video. And the reason why I say that is because if this is your first time joining my channel, or if it's not, I do monthly giveaways over here where I give away products that are in my subscription boxes that just don't really excite me that much, or if I already have products just like them already and I don't really need to add them to my collection. So what I like to do is give back to you guys for helping support my channel. You know, I appreciate that so much. So again, I post about 2 to 3 times a week, or as much as possible when I can. But again, I do appreciate it so much. So let's just go ahead and jump into this video. But you know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because you know it helps me out a lot. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel because you know you want to. And don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Senior D, and let's just go ahead and get into it. Alright, so with Boxy Premium, you know it's about $35 a month, and you do get 6 full-size products, sometimes 7, it just depends. But yeah, this is what the box looks like. It is one of the larger boxes, same kind of box that Boxy Luxe comes in, but when you open it up, it is going to say Boxy Premium there for us. Now I will let you guys know coming next month, if you guys didn't know, that Ipsy and Boxycharm are underneath the same umbrella. I've been kind of make sure I inform you guys about this, that Ipsy has now started doing a Glam X, which is kind of just like Boxy Premium, or I think it's more like Boxy Luxe. Since they're underneath the same umbrella, there's still two separate companies. But don't forget to keep an eye out for my unboxing of my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. That should be one of the next upcoming videos because then that will actually have the full giveaway in it. But let's just go ahead and just jump into this box and see what we've got. Again, with this box, I should be getting $175 worth of products in here with the 6 full-size products that I have. So if you guys didn't see the card from the last one, again, it's the same thing. It is a Boxycharm Fresh Start. This is what the card looks like. Again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different products that are in here. So let's just go ahead and start off with the 2 that I'm super excited about. As soon as I opened this up, are you kidding me? Okay. There's 2 Fenty products in here, first off. There are 2 Fenty products in here. Now, I know that we've been getting a lot of Fenty in these boxes, but hey, I'm excited because Fenty is a little bit pricey. You could obviously get it at Sephora, but it is amazing because I remember when it was last year when they did the whole entire Fenty box, and I thought that was the most amazing thing when it came to Boxy Premium, which is actually initially what made me sign up. So to have more Fenty in here is amazing. Now I did actually get to choose one of these products, which is this lovely one right here. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. So I did decide to choose the color in lavender because I wanted to try out the purple one so much because it's meant for brightening underneath the eyes. I already do own Butter, which is this one right here. Now I have a decent amount left in this, so I really didn't want to get another Butter, like a backup one. I could have, but I wanted to try something different, so obviously this is the lavender powder. Again, it does have that tint of like purple to it. Now I have already gone ahead and opened this because I just couldn't wait when I got this box. But it also does come with the little guard that goes with it as well, so that if you are traveling with this, the powder doesn't go all over the place and it kind of just goes right on in at the top and fits into the FB on the actual item. So again, I'm going to go ahead and put that back into the box. I see where it goes in here. And then I'll probably take it out later. But again, that is the Fenty Pro Filter Retouching Setting Powder. That is worth $32. Then the other Fenty product that we have in this is the Fenty Frontal Full Volume Lift and Curl Mascara, which is worth $24. Designed to deliver Rihanna's full lash look. Full frontally lightweight ultra black formula, which specifically paired with an exclusive flat and fat brush. The fat side holds maximum product to quickly load lashes, and the flat side defines and curls. Interesting. So I've never heard of anyone doing a wand specifically like that. So this is what the packaging looks like. It just says Fenty Beauty right here. If you guys can see, it is kind of like a black and rose gold type of packaging. But what I really want to see is what the brush looks like. Oh, okay, so I see. So it is a microfiber type of brush, but as you can see, you do have one flat side, which is like that, and then you obviously do have the bristles that are on these two sides. Now the bristles do go around the whole entire thing, but it is flat on some part of the surface, and it is tapered, so I kind of dig that too, to get into like the small lashes in the corner. So I'm excited to go ahead and try this out since I don't have this. The few items that I do have by Fenty, I have the original concealer, the original foundation that she came out with. I have the butter powder. I have a a brow pencil by them. And then, yeah, so I have the two setting powders, the original foundation, the original concealer that they came out with, a brow pencil, and this now. So I almost have a full face of Fenty. We're getting there. Now I don't have a bronzer, I don't have a blush, anything like that, or any of the eyeshadows. If she has eyeshadows, I don't know. But we're getting there, and I thank you Boxycharm for it, because the only item that I've actually purchased from Fenty, I guess, with the foundation, concealer, and the butter, but the other stuff that has come from Boxycharm. So I appreciate that so much. Alright, so keep moving on. Now the other item, now again, I did kind of sneak peek into this because I watched Manny MUA's video every single month of unboxing this. So he talked about this item, which is a Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. He said this was like sold out for the longest time. He couldn't get his hands on it because it was just that popular. This is worth $48. It is a life turbulence means we can get, oh my god. Life turbulence means we can get the lag, leaving the skin stressed, tired, thirsty. Using a nightly mask, daytime moisturizer, or in-flight lifesaver, this multitasking nourishing vitamin, ceramides, and antioxidant leaves the skin instantly renewed, radiant, and ready for anything. Yes, please. It's just basically just a hydrating moisturizer. So I really love skincare a lot. I actually, right next to my bed, I have a huge like skincare drawer. So that's kind of what I do after I get out of the shower, after I wash my face. I walk over to my skincare drawer and I kind of just choose what products I want to use. But I definitely love moisturizers because you could never have enough moisture on your face. But I do have combination skin. A lot of times it's more dry than it is oily. So any type of hydration I can give my face, I definitely want to give this a go. Let's just see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It comes in one of those like metal tubes, and then you kind of just push it down. I've gotten a few of these recently in Boxycharm and Ipsy, but the other one was by like a brand called like The Alchemist, I think. I don't remember, but this again is worth $48. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep that item. Oh no, I almost dropped the card. Okay, so the next item in here is going to be this, which is the Ren Clean Skincare Perfecting Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. So this is a clean jelly oil cleanser. This is what the packaging looks like, just so you guys can see it. Really pretty packaging. It's like a coralish, peachy type of tone. But anyways, a clean jelly oil cleanser, which is clinically proven to remove waterproof makeup. Love that. SPF and pollution. The 100% natural derived formula shifts 3 times while you cleanse, starting as a jelly and then shifting to an oil and then to a milk that gently melts away the dirt, makeup, pollution, and a soft, clean finish. Ooh, I love the way that sounds. I kind of love when I get cleansers in these boxes because, again, I think that's one of the items like I want, because I'm kind of in that phase of just trying to find a cleanser that really works for me. Now I do double cleanse sometimes, especially if I am wearing waterproof makeup. I've been using the Pharmacy like balm one, and I also do have the Clinique balm, and then I also do have a Bobbi Brown like makeup oil remover. So those are different ones that I've been using right now at the moment. I think the Clinique one I think I just finished, which is why I moved on to the Pharmacy one, and then I have the oil one in the shower. So if I shower and I want to wash my face in the shower, I start with that first, and then I like obviously cleanse. But I definitely want to try this. Like that, it seems really cool the way that it kind of shifts, because I've gotten a cleanser recently that I was not so happy with, and I actually right now just use it to clean my my makeup brushes and my makeup sponge, just because it's like a gentle cleanser. Like, I'm not really into the gentle cleansers. I want to feel the exfoliation. I want to feel the bubbles. I want to feel the grit coming off of my face. This one I really don't feel much, so I'm just using it right now as a cleanser just for my brushes and other stuff. But I'm definitely excited to try this. So that again is $32. So far so good. We've gotten some really great stuff in this box. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next item. All right, so the next item in this box, now I saw everyone getting this and I was so excited to get this as well, but really weird, it's not in a box or a case or anything. Maybe it's just because I don't want you to resell it or anything like that, but this is so cool, so pretty, because it's my first time having anything like this. This is the Ofra, what is it called? Ofra Cosmetics Good to Go Mini Mix Palette. So the Manifest Good to Go looks every time in a mini full face palette of warm shimmers and fresh neutrals, featuring Ofra's best-selling highlighter, All the Lights. The lightweight magnet and interchangeable palette is perfect for add-on to pop in your makeup bag. So this is $39, and this is what the palette looks like. It's so pretty. Like, this shade right here, first off, looks super gorgeous, and the orange tone, I'm just curious of how this all plays together. Then you also have a blush here, and you also have a bronzer down here. So I don't own a bronzer or a blush by Ofra. I only own their highlighters, which their highlighters are amazing. Oh, and also I have a few lip colors from Ofra, sorry, wow. I own a few lip colors from Ofra that I had gotten from the original Nikki Tutorials collaboration, which I kind of have on display somewhere over here. But again, I've fallen in love with Ofra over the years, and this is just super exciting to try out. Why does that highlighter look so familiar though? Again, they said that's like their most popular highlighter. It kind of looks like the Nikki Tutorials one, but not all the way. Let me grab that for like 2.5 seconds. So this is the Ofra and Nikki Tutorials collaboration that I have on my shelves. This is what it looks like. Yes, queen, she's so beautiful. But it comes with 3 lip colors, which is in Nude Potion, Coven, and Spell. And then she also came up with her own like highlighter thing. I use this every now and then, but I love to more or less to have it on display, because again, like I told you guys, I love to collect makeup. But yeah, this kind of looks like the one that we just got, but it's a little bit different because it has like those 4 different quads. Anyways, I just want to talk about that for like 2.5 seconds because I do own a few things from Ofra, but this is just so gorgeous. I really need to start using these again because I really haven't used them that much over the years because I put it on display. It's just so pretty. But moving back into this box, this was the 5th item. Again, the Ofra Good to Go palette is worth $39 if I didn't say that already, so I'm definitely keeping that item. And then the very last item on here is from the brand PMD Beauty. This is the Silver Pure Makeup Removing Cloth. This is what it looks like. So if you guys didn't know, I think it was sometime last year, they gave us that PMD like face massager or whatever that thing's called. I've used it a few times. I kind of like it, but it's really weird because it vibrates. But yeah, and it looks like one of those things. So, but again, this is the face cloth from the same brand. So it does say Silver Pure, Silver Infused Microfiber Makeup Removing Cloth, Antibacterial, Ultra Soft, and Reusable. It says get back to your pure self with Silver Pure, removes your makeup with the antibacterial, anti-aging benefits of pure silver, ensuring a clean end to your day. Just basically says instructions: wash cloth before first use, dampen cloth with warm water, and gently wipe away your makeup. Rinse cloth and machine wash as needed. And then what it just says on here is basically the same thing that it said on this. I've never had a like face cloth that's supposed to like just take off your makeup. I guess you could just use like a regular just a regular washcloth to take off your makeup, but that's not kind of what I do. I'm trying to figure out if I want to keep this or not keep this, because that's just not a part of like my cleansing and what I like to do. I think I'm just going to go ahead and put this into the giveaway because this just isn't my vibe. I thought about keeping it for a second, but then I'm like, am I really going to use it? am I really going to use it? And the answer is probably no, because I just don't. I have a microfiber like towel that I'm supposed to use for my hair because I have curly hair. And I keep forgetting to use that because I'm just so used to just using a regular towel when I get out of the shower. So I'm going to go ahead and put this into the giveaway. But this is worth $30. $30? I think it's more or less because it's the brand. But at the same time, because of the silver that's in it, if this actually really works, someone please let me know, because it seems almost slightly gimmicky at the same time because the silver is supposed to like help the anti-aging aspect. I don't know. If you know the research behind this, someone let me know in the comments down below. But yes, that is the end of this. So we just need to go ahead and add up the total. So starting off, the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask is $48. The Ofra Cosmetics is $39. The Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Setting Powder is $32. The Ren Jelly Cleanser is $32. Then you get the Fenty Beauty Mascara, which is $24. And then you have the PMD Beauty, which is $30. I don't have a calculator in front of me, so I'm just going to gladly go ahead and put the total value right here. And then let me know down in the comments of what you guys thought of this box. I'm actually truly excited about this one because I'm keeping 5 out of the 6 products. Now obviously that means only one of them is going to you guys, but hey, my Ipsy unboxing is coming soon. Is definitely coming soon, so that should be one of these next following up videos, and then that's when we'll be able to do the giveaway again, which again, I appreciate you guys so much staying to the end of this video and seeing what I got in my box for Boxy Premium. So I appreciate you guys so much, but you know what to do. If you like videos like this, you know the gist. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. You know, it helps out my channel so much. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe as well, because you know you want to. And don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you never miss when I post. And so you never miss a video with me, your girl, Sandra D. So I will gladly go ahead and see you guys in the next one. Bye.